If a user is not logged in, they will see our standard USA price list. As soon as a user logs in, they will see their account-specific pricing when such pricing has been pre-negotiated. A pre-negotiated price is indicated by the term "your price." The original price is shown directly next to it. This applies to all pricing that has been pre-negotiated, no matter if you're on a product list page, on a product detail page, or in the shopping cart. If a product has different pricing tiers, this is shown and reflected directly on the page. The wish list is another great tool to manage products and orders. Items can be added to the wish list from the category page or the product detail page. Later, you can easily fill your shopping cart from the wish list. You can add the product to an existing wish list, or you can create a new wish list. To view all of your wish lists, just click on the bookmark icon on the top of the page. Here you can choose the wish list you want to view. Once selected, you can add a specific product to your shopping cart or even add an entire list. You will see on our web shop that a majority of our products can be directly purchased, but a few can only be quoted. However, you have the option to request a quote for both types of products. To request a quote, just fill your shopping cart. It doesn't matter if you add your products from the category page or the product detail page. Once you are ready, click the Request a Quote button in your shopping cart. If you wish, you can add additional information. When you request a quote, your cart information is forwarded to our staff. We will contact you by mail for your quote. One of the most important benefits is the reorder functionality. Customers can reorder very easily and even adjust their previous orders in the cart. To reorder, navigate to your order history page under the My Account section. You can reorder from here or from the order detail page. If you click the reorder button, the products of that specific order will be added to the shopping cart. In the shopping cart, you can proceed to check out, or you can adjust your order by adding or deleting items.